Good afternoon, students. I am very happy to see you in this online session. Last class, half of the portion of supplementary reader, second supplementary, 6 I completed for grade 10th. So today I am going to teach the remaining part of the story. Just listen, before moving into the story, as I instructed daily, I am asking you, okay, first unit. Are you reading the first unit? Short answers, paragraph, yes, supplementary paragraph, as well as read the textbook. What are the vocabularies I am giving in between the textbook also you read. It will improve your knowledge. Have you understood? Then second unit I completed the poem, The Grumble Family. There also read the short answers as well as paragraph. Okay. So we are moving into the supplementary reader, zigzag. Okay, I already said the gist of the story. Today I am going to say you. It's about the story of Dr. Ashok T. Krishna, a child specialist. Okay, and his family members. Okay, Mrs. Ashok, Dr. Ashok's wife, then Aravind, Maya, are the children of Dr. Ashok. Then Vishu is Dr. Somu's cook. Who is Dr. Somu means Dr. Ashok's friend. Okay. So what happened in the life of Dr. Ashok means this Dr. Somu presented a gift for this Dr. Ashok when he was leaving for Alaska. That is called zigzag. Okay. So the children, when they were hearing about the gift, they were very happy. Already Dr. Somu presented various gift for this family, this Ashok's family. This is the fourth gift. So these children were very happy and they predicted different things. Last class I said this one. They predicted it may be a snake, it may be a beetle, like that they thought. But finally this Dr. Ashok said it were not a snake or beetle, it was a bird. Zigzag was a bird. Okay, it knew more than 21 languages. It sings well, like that he gave the description of this zigzag. So the children were very happy to receive the zigzag, but Mrs. Ashok was not at all satisfied with all these things because she had a very bad experience of Somu's gift. Somu gave already one gift is about the insect eating plant. Insect eating plant, finally what happened you know very well is it needed a room, this drain. What it need? It need a room heater to make him alive. Then the second one is what it needed, sharp tooth blade. What it happened to sharp tooth blade? It cut this Maya's 3 skirts and 2 pairs of jeans. So finally boomerang. Okay, boomerang, what happened you know very well. It cut some TV reels as well as damaged the car as well as the watchman. That happened. Finally they received the zigzag from the hands of Vishu, Dr. Somu's cook. He explained, Somu said, this Vishu said, I could not leave this zigzag because it was very helpful for me. Finally, after reaching this new place, this zigzag did not speak even a single language. They asked, they converse in different languages, Tamil, English, Hindi and French. But it did not converse even a single language, a single word in front of this new family. Then what were the commotion or disturbance created by zigzag in this family? We already studied. First one is this Aravind gave some slice of juicy fruits as well as nuts. What he did, he transferred all these things to chandelier as well as the blades of the fan. Yes, that is one thing it happened in this family. Then what happened? After that it started to sleep. After the sleep it started to snore. Initially the snore was like a hungry dinosaur's stomach, such a sound. When the time passed, it was like a herd of elephants. The cold, if they have a cold trumpeting sound, such a very great sound, okay, bad sound happened in that place. Then after that, what happened? They tried their level best to get up this zigzag from the sleep. Finally, what happened? You know, Maya has made all the places wet, sofa as well as the curtain. Okay, that thing happened. So all of you take page number 52. Students, all of you take page number 52. Right hand side. Nearly 4 paragraphs I completed. 5th paragraph. He made so many comparison with this sleeping zigzag. At the time, all of you just listen. Page number 52, right hand side. Take the textbook with pen. Come. African witch doctors' birds do not obey scientific rules. Aravind was annoyed. Annoyed means irritated. Annoyed means irritated. That is best imitations of a raging lion, a hungry hyena, and a ferocious dog. Had failed to draw zigzag out of his deep sleep. Okay, hungry hyena as well as ferocious dog as well as this raging dog could not wake this zigzag from his sleep. Okay, that was the comparison. But now he tried his loudest, most frightening coyote call. Coyote means, so I already said what is the meaning of coyote means. A wolf-like wild dog native to North Americans wolf. Okay, dog. Okay, so that like in such a way he made the sound. Oh, our Aaron made the sound. That also useless. But zigzag slept on undisturbed and snored again. Okay, without any disturbance. Okay, zigzag was sleeping. In total despair. Despair means loss of hope. In total despair at their failure, wake zigzag, or at least stop him snoring. They shut themselves in the bedroom that was furthest away from Mrs. Krishnan's studio, where zigzag was creating the terrible din. Din refers to noise. What is the meaning of din? Din means noise. So what this family did means they locked the studio of Mrs. Krishnan where our zigzag was sleeping and making the snoring sound. They locked there and they came back to their this bedroom. Snoring shut themselves in the bedroom that was furthest. It was far away from the this Mrs. Krishna's studio. Mrs. Krishnan was just unraveling a roll of cotton wool to stuff in her ears when they heard their maid Lakshmi stringing as if she had been electrocuted. Okay, unraveling means write the meaning, to become separated. To become separated. Okay, they have put the this cotton inside their ears to escape from the sound of or snoring sound of this zigzag. Okay, but at the time they had a shocking sound from the Lakshmi stringing as if she had been electrocuted. She made a sound like she was electrocuted. Electrocuted means, what is the meaning of electrocuted? Means to kill by electric shock. To kill by electric shock, that is electrocuted. Okay, so this this servant, okay, maid, okay, servant of Mrs. Krishna's home, she made a sound like electrocuted. Okay, heart hammering. They rushed to the studio to find Lakshmi dancing and clapping her hands excitedly as she yelled. Yelled means shouted. We have been blessed. We have been truly blessed. It's raining papayas and bananas in this room. Why this lady was shrinking like electrocuted? It's like if you get into shock. How will you body will shake? You know very well. Such a way this Krishna maid Lakshmi was shouting there. Okay, at the time this family entered into that studio. She was shouting, "We were blessed by the God because we are getting the what are the things are coming? It's raining like papayas and bananas in this room." Okay, then they froze in horror. Okay, and why this Lakshmi is shouting in such a way? They froze in horror. Lakshmi had apparently switched on the fan on which Zigzag has left some fruits and the net off pegged. Pegged means, so write the meaning. Half pecking means off. Peg means to strike with the beak. To strike with the beak. You know very well how the birds will eat. No, it never eats totally. Okay, it off pegged and it will throw it some other place. Not like human beings, emptying the place. They never do like that. Okay. So they realized what was going on because she switched on the fan. Okay, already you know very well Zigzag. Okay, kept all the things on the leaf of the fan. So if it started to rotate, it happened. Okay, half pegged fruit streamed up the fan and dampening even Lakshmi's enthusiasm as Goa landed on her cheek. And dampening means, so write the meaning. In a state between dry and wet. In a state between dry and wet. Okay. So it was the condition of your fruit between that dry and wet. Okay, just listen. What dampening even enthusiasm as Goa landed on her cheek with a soft squeeze and one walnut hit her forehead with a loud smack. Okay, so first Goa landed, then the next one is one walnut. Okay, just to hit the this Lakshmi. One slice of overripe papaya came whizzing off the fan, and as they watched this helplessly, horror splattered all over Mrs. Krishna's unfinished masterpiece. Okay, the slice. Okay, slice of papaya just flashed in the painting of Mrs. Krishna. Okay, I already said Mrs. Krishna was very busy in completing her masterpiece. Okay, the name of the master painting was this sunset at Marina. Okay, she was doing that work. At the time, what happened? This papaya, pulp papaya flashed on the painting. Then what happened? Okay, see the condition. Mrs. Krishna unfinished masterpiece, sunset at Marina, spreading sheets of gooey orange pulp and shiny black seeds all over it. Okay, it has flashed all over. What are the things flashed over? Just listen. Spreading streaks. What is the meaning of streaks? Yeah, irregular line left from smearing. Irregular lines here and there. The paintings. Then gooey orange means sticks. Pulp and shiny black seeds. Okay, black seeds of this papaya also flashed all over the paintings. Mrs. Krishna. So you know very well at present what was the condition of Mrs. Krishna. Initially Mrs. Krishna disliked to bring this Zigzag to her house because she had various experience of other things. Okay, the same thing here. Mrs. Krishnan ground tragically and looked ready to shoot Zigzag, but he was saved by the bell. Okay, what was the condition? She was very much angry towards the Zigzag. Her masterpiece was damaged by or destroyed by this Zigzag. So she was grown to shoot this Zigzag, but finally, ringing of the bell has escaped, saved by the bell. The telephone bell, they answered one call after another as all the neighbors ran up to demand what the awful uh, King Drusvi's sound was, and if they could not please have some peace. Awful means bad. What is the meaning? Lost previous line. There is a word called awful. So they heard so many calls from their neighboring house. What was the bad sound there? Okay, King Drusvi's, like that this snoring sound was coming from your house. All through all this commotion, Zigzag slept on unconcerned and soared on. Okay, unconcerned means without any worry. Okay, not worried. Okay, so this commotion only for the family of this Dr. Krishnan. So, but Zigzag was sleeping well. I already said yes at the initial. What were the commotion? Initially some commotion, still the disturbance going on in the family of Mrs. Krishnan. Then finally an exhausted Mrs. Krishnan rang up her husband. I am going crazy. Exhausted means tired. Finally what happened? It spoiled his paintings. Finally these neighbors started to shout. What was going there? Yes or no? Why this bad sound? It was disturbing us. Okay, like that sound came from neighboring house. So here she finally made a call to her husband. Okay, telephone calls. And my beautiful painting. Okay, I am going crazy. Crazy means mad. Okay, crazy means mad. Write the meaning. Crazy means mad. Okay. With the sound of Zigzag snoring plus all these angry telephone calls and my beautiful paintings, here her voice cracked. You know, Mrs. Jankanwala, the art critic who lives upstairs, well, she heard Zigzag snoring and had the cheek to telephone and asked me whether I could sing a little softly when I took my singing lesson. Please contact Somu and find out what we should do. Now she is asking a solution from Mr. Ashok, because that was a disturbance not only for her family but for the neighboring family. So called Zigzag. How this Mrs. Janjanwala, a art critic. Okay, she is the critic of art for painting. So she criticized, when you are teaching some singing, okay, don't raise your sound. Okay, little softly you sing a song. In such a way, she was ridiculing this Mrs. Krishnan. Okay, have you understood? Okay, so she got irritated. Okay, so she called Dr. Krishnan and please contact Somu and ask the solution for this problem. Okay, please contact Somu and find out what we should do. Dr. Krishnan came home as fast as he could after he had left an email message for Somu asking him for clear instruction on how to stop Zigzag from snoring. Okay. After receiving the message, this Dr. Krishnan, as fast as he came to the home, sending an email to this Somu to give you a clear-cut idea how to stop the snoring of Zigzag. Don't worry, he reassured his downcast family. Downcast means, write the meaning of downcast. What is the meaning of downcast? Means loss of hope, or courage. Okay, downcast means it's like the meaning of despair. Okay, despair is also loss of hope. Here downcast also loss of hope. Okay, I am giving so many new words. Okay, keep it in your mind. For despair as well as downcast, the same meaning. Okay, come. Okay, so don't worry, he reassured his downcast family. Somu will reply soon and we will discover there is some ridiculous simple way to stop Zigzag from snoring. Ridiculous means foolish. What is the meaning of ridiculous? Ridiculous means a foolish solution. Okay, this Dr. Krishnan comforting his family by saying, okay, I send a message, definitely we will get very foolish solution. It is very easy to stop zigzag from snoring. He comforting his family in such a way. 6 days passed. 6 frantic days of checking their emails day and night. 6 torturous days of having the deafeningly loud Kinkert's resound in their home. Okay, write the meaning of frantic. Frantic means 6 days past. Frantic means it was to insane. Insane means mad. Checking. Most nerve-wrackingly, Maya complained that she heard a permanent rumbling sound in her ears even when she was miles away from the home, and that her ears ached all the time. 6 days passed. They were traveling in this same sound from the home. Daily it get up, it eat, it sleep, and make a this snoring sound by the zigzag. Like that. Okay, so Maya was saying like this. Okay, when she was away from the house also, the rambling sound. Rambling means deep and slow sounding. Okay, this sound is repeating. Okay, sometimes when you are traveling in the train, when you get on from the train also, that shaking, that experience or that sound will be in our ears. Like that, this because 6 days, not 1 or 2 days, 6 days experience. Okay. Then Aravind confessed that for the first time in his life he was actually looking forward to going to school, considering it was a calm as a monastery compared to their house. Okay, monastery. Okay, now Aravind is saying small children never go willing to go for the school, but here Aravind at present, okay, he was very much willing to go for school because to escape from this type of sound, okay, rambling sound from the this zigzag. Okay, so the school was like a monastery. Monastery means, you know very well, where the brothers study. Yes, in RC congregations. That place was very silent. He is comparing with monastery. Then Mrs. Krishnan had lost interest in painting. Zigzag would sometimes wake up briefly when he wanted to eat some fruit, and sometimes it would sit on the veranda looking sulky and bored as he stared at the sunset at Marina Beach, the real view, not the painting lying forlorn in one corner. Then what happened? Okay, here Mrs. Krishna, okay, lost her interest in painting. Okay, because daily the zigzag gets up and it starts to eat, and after that it sleep, and it will start to snore. That was happening. He wanted to eat some fruit, and sometimes he would sit on the veranda looking sulkily and bored as he stared at the sunset at Marina, the real view, not the painting lying forlorn. Forlorn means lonely. What is the meaning of forlorn? Forlorn means lonely, because this bird has spoiled the painting with the papayas. Okay, it has spattered all over the painting. Okay, that was the condition. Now this was the daily routine of zigzag, sometimes sitting outside and seeing the real view of Marina. Then zigzag never spoke to anyone, though everyone tried several times and in several languages to speak to him kindly. He only slept and snored. Okay, all the family members were tried their level best to talk with zigzag. It was a utter failure. On the 7th day, Dr. Somu's email arrived. It was, as Dr. Krishnan's predicted, ridiculously simple. It read. Okay, finally at the 7th day, okay, 1 week time, 7th day, they received the message, a very simple message he received from Dr. Somu, that yes, I never had zigzag snore. In fact, zigzag hardly ever sleeps. Love, Somu. If you are finding it difficult, ask Mr. My cook Visu to keep zigzag. Okay, very simple message they received. Okay, zigzag never snore. That is the first one. It never sleeps. That is the highlight. Okay, it's never sleeps, so it never snore. If you are find difficult to keep the zigzag, okay, call Visu to keep the this zigzag. That does it, said Mrs. Krishnan. Find Visu. I will not keep zigzag here another minute. Okay. So Mrs. Krishnan was not willing to keep the zigzag even a single minute in her home. Calm down, dear. I am leaving for my clinic now. Can't it wait till? Okay. So this Dr. Krishnan was getting ready to go for his clinic. Can't you wait for one day? No, it is now. Mrs. Krishnan was adamant. Adamant means very firm or strict. I have invited some friends and our experts to come home and choose my paintings for the exhibition. This feathered snoring monster will drive us all mad. So why she is not willing to keep the zigzag in her home means because that day some experts are coming, or the critics were coming to assess his painting. Okay, that is why if that time if the zigzag made a snoring sound, what will happen? It will disturb those experts. Have you understood, Anna? That's why this Mrs. Krishnan denied very adamantly not to keep the zigzag even a single minute in her home. Come on then, zigzag called. Dr. Krishna nervously wondering how he would locate Somu's cook Visu. Yeah, why don't you wait in the car, zigzag, he suggested. When they reached his clinic, his heart singing at the thought of zigzag here chattering loud snore, adding to the din of the soaps and streaks produced by the tiny patients waiting for him. Okay, but finally he took the zigzag to his car when he was moving to his clinic. At the time he had a doubt, where would I find this cook Visu? The another question, already the clinic was because of the crying of the children, because of the disturbance of the children. How could I keep this zigzag in that clinic? Okay, he had a thought in her mind, this bat will make a sound there, it will double disturbance for this doctor. Okay, so that was in the mind of this Dr. Krishnan. Okay, produced by the tiny patients waiting for him. Okay, the remaining part I will teach in the next class. Actually here remaining part of the story is the real twist in this story. Have you understood, Anna? So till now they faced difficulties. They faced the difficulties because of zigzags. Hereafter only the climax, how the zigzag is going to help this family, we will see in the next class. Okay, students, so up to this much you read. It is somewhat a very long story. You read and you start to read the hard words. As I instructed earlier, you learn the lesson as I instructed, memory poems. Okay, short answers, paragraphs. Okay, day by day you read as well as do the exercise as well. Okay, one more class is enough to finish this zigzag. Have you understood? Okay, be safe in your home. Okay, thank you, students.